Olá, tudo bem? Today we have prepared some small Portuguese tests for you. Let's go. The first question. Complete the sentence with the correct form of the verb abrir. That means to open. Eles a janela quando está calor. And we have three variants. Abro, abres, abrem. You have 7 seconds to think.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And the correct variant is abrem. Let's see the forms of this verb in presente. The verb abrem is a regular verb that ends in ir. Now let's see how we conjugate the verb abrir. Eu abro, tu abres, ele abre, nós abrimos e eles abrem. As we can see, the subject of the sentence is a third person plural pronoun. Eles. So, eles abrem. Question number 2. Tu ao supermercado hoje? You have 7 seconds to think.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And the answer is vais. And why vais? Let's see. The verb ir is an irregular verb. Let's see its forms in presente. Eu vou, tu vais, ele vai, nós vamos, eles vão. And as far as the subject of the sentence is tu, it's a second singular plural pronoun. We can see tu needs the form vais. Tu vais. And if it's difficult to remember all irregular verb forms, watch the video about 5 ways to learn the irregular verb forms in an interesting way. Or find a new way in our course. The link is in the description. Question number 3. Tu ao cinema neste momento? And we have 3 variants. Vais, vou ir, or estás a ir. And you have 7 seconds to think.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, the answer is tu estás a ir ao cinema neste momento? Presente. It's not only about the actions which happen regularly in the present. It's also about the actions which happen right in the moment of speech, right now. And to express this idea, we need the verb estar in presente, the preposition a, and the infinitive of the verb. Estar a infinitivo. Now let's have a look at the forms of the verb estar em presente. Eu estou, tu estás, ele está, nós estamos, eles estão. And as far as the subject of the sentence is tu, tu estás. Tu estás a ir. Question number 4. Vocês, estudantes. And we have 3 variants. Estão, são, e. You have 7 seconds to think.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And the answer is são. Vocês são estudantes. In Portuguese, we have 2 verbs that mean to be. But there is a difference. The verb ser is used in Portuguese to speak about something permanent. And the verb estar is used to speak about temporary things. As a profession and the occupation is considered to be something permanent. So, vocês são estudantes. Question number 5. Ele gosta chocolate. And we have 3 prepositions to choose. And yes, you have 7 seconds to think.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So, the answer is de. Ele gosta de chocolate. After the verb gostar, we have to use the preposition de. It's a peculiarity of this verb, gostar de. No matter what is next, a noun or a verb. Ele gosta de chocolate, or ele gosta de comer chocolate. How many correct answers do you have in this test? My congratulations to those whose answers were correct. But if you have some difficulties, I invite you to our course on Portuguese verb tenses. In our course, you will study all the verb tenses of the indicative mood of Portuguese language. There you will have videos with explanations, a lot of exercises for practice, PDF lists with irregular verbs, and life hacks on studying Portuguese. And the link is in the description.